If you're marketing online using AI, having a lead magnet is very important for you. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use Claude to build a simple lead magnet that you can use to collect leads and promote your business online. So I'm going to be building a lead magnet calculator for this business because this is a financial business. You can do this with basically any kind of business that you run. You just need to find the idea of what you can use for a lead magnet for your own business. For instance, if you sell cars, doing a lead magnet like a calculator may not really work. So you might just want to find something else that would be useful to your target audience. So for this business, which is a financial business, we are going to be using a calculator. And this is the business. The business is called ClearPath Financial. So this is a personal finance education brand selling online courses and coaching young professionals aged between 22 to 35 who are trying to get out of debt and start saving and build financial plan for the first time. It was founded by a former banker turned educator. He sells through a website and Instagram, and the main offer is $197 self-paced course called Your First Financial Plan. So the lead magnet we are trying to build is a budget calculator. So you see, this is going to be important for this target business. So we have the first prompt here, which is to actually build a calculator. And we are going to do it inside of the Claude free plan. You can do this using ChatGPT or any other AI that you want, but I'm doing this inside of Claude, but the process is basically the same. So I want to come here and I want to get the first prompt that is going to build me this calculator. The grand idea is that if I build this calculator, I can embed it maybe on my landing page, my sales page, or even my entire website. So I want it to build a single page interactive budget calculator for personal finance called ClearPath Financial. The calculator should do the following. All right. Again, what you want to achieve might be different, but this is the structure that you can use to achieve it. So we just click on go. So after a couple of minutes, you can see that the calculator is ready. So this is a monthly budget calculator. They can put their monthly income here. They can put their fixed expenses like their rent, their utility, their subscriptions. They can put variable expenses, and then they will get a total remaining balance. And then you see here, it gives us a small footer that tells them that this is from us. All right, so it can, you see, they even have this slider where they can see their saving percentage. All right, so it basically calculates their saving percentage for them. That's the first phase. Now we have another prompt here, and this prompt is to help us add a result section. We could actually do this using one prompt, but I just want to show you how you can layer it. So if it does one, then you add the other things, especially if you like the first one it did. So I'm going to tell you to update the calculator and add a result interpretation section. So under the same chart, I'm going to tell you to update the calculator and add the result interpretation section. And again, we give it a couple of minutes to do the edits for us. So now it has added the feature that we want it to add, which is here. It shows them what it means, their saving health and all of that, and the next step for them to take. So we have another step that we want to do here, which is the branding. We want it to brand it for us to fit our business. So we have given it a color code and the rest. So it actually has done a bit of branding, but want it to actually follow our color code and everything. So we are going to come back here. We are going to paste it right here and tell it to redesign it or brand it properly for us. So after a couple of minutes, it has done what we want it to do, which is the branding. It has changed the color right here. If you do not like this, you can basically tell it to add more colors. For instance, this is the color it's used here. So the primary colors are navy blue, which are quite similar to black, and this is the accent color all the call to action color. So the font is a simplified font. The header is this one, and then the bottom city, which is a soft call to action here, is right here. So this is where we can embed our form for them to join. So now this is basically a fully functional calculator, but we are not done. We want it to give us instructions on how we can actually embed this on our page. So if you are using Squarespace, WordPress, and the rest, how do you put this on your page? In my case, I'm going to be using WordPress for this, but I'm just going to give you this instruction. So if you are using Squarespace, you can ask it. If you are using Wix, Shopify, and the rest, you can ask it. And so if you use Squarespace, this is how you can use it. If you use WordPress, this is how you can use it. If you want to just use it as a basic HTML, this is also how you can use it. So I'm going to be using it inside of WordPress. So what I need to do is I want to copy the code. And to copy the code, you come here, you click on this icon here, and then you see all the codes, and you can basically just copy it. If you copy it, you want to go to your WordPress. So what I've done here is that I've created a new page inside of WordPress. I've given it the name calculator, and I'm using Elementor for this. So inside of Elementor, I just came here and I search for HTML. So if you're using Classic Editor or Block Editor, you can do it the same way. Just add the code, simple as that. But in Elementor, I just drag the HTML code and then I just put it under a section. So here I just added it inside of the HTML code, and that's that. And then you publish it and it's ready. But for you to actually collect the emails, you need to tie a form to this button. So you need to create a pop-up so that once they click on this button here, they will be able to add their emails and their name, and then you can send them an email address. The way to do that is you create a form inside of your WordPress website. So you can come here, create, use Fluent form, any kind of form that you want, and then you just create a form and you embed it here. After creating the form, you get a short code and you want to come back to Claude. Just give it the code, tell it to embed the code to the call to action, and it's going to embed it. So anytime they click on it, it will pop up and then they can fill their names and their emails. So this is how you do it inside of WordPress. So the last but not the least is that I wanted it to write an email that we use to deliver what we promised them. So this is a very simple email, and it should be for someone who has entered their name and their email. So basically the ones who filled the form. So here you just come to the chat, tell it to write the email. So this is the email right here. This is the subject, and this is where they actually get whatever that you promised them. So this is how you can use Claude to create a lead magnet for your business. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Noel. I'll see you in my next videos.